A legal battle unfolds in Chicago, where a federal judge appointed by President Biden is set to hear a case that could shape the nation's response to civil unrest. But this isn't just any judge. It's a Biden appointee, and the case involves none other than former President Trump's controversial decision-making. In a dramatic turn of events, U.S. District Judge April Perry temporarily halted the Trump administration's plans to deploy the National Guard within Illinois. This decision came just days after Illinois and Chicago filed a lawsuit against the Trump administration, challenging the legality of the deployment. The lawsuit was a direct response to Trump's order to send 400 Texas National Guard members into Illinois, Oregon, and other states, while also federalizing 300 Illinois National Guard troops. And here's where it gets controversial. Trump's lawyers argued that the move was necessary due to the unprecedented high levels of violence against federal law enforcement in Chicago. They pointed fingers at officials like Governor Pritzker, claiming his comments inflamed animosity. But was this a fair assessment or a political maneuver? The lawsuit highlights Trump's contentious relationship with Chicago, dating back to 2013 when he advocated for troops on Chicago's streets instead of Syria. It also brings to light his opposition to sanctuary policies, which protect immigrants from deportation. Trump's Justice Department even sued Pritzker and Chicago Mayor Brandon Johnson over these policies, but the case was dismissed. What makes this case even more intriguing is Judge Perry's history. She was nominated by Biden for a top federal prosecutor role in Chicago, but the nomination was blocked by then-Senator J.D. Vance, now Trump's vice president. This backstory adds a layer of complexity to the legal proceedings. The Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, which hears cases from Oregon and California, has previously ruled that courts should give deference to the president's decisions regarding troop deployment. However, Illinois is not under the jurisdiction of the Ninth Circuit, and the outcome of this case could significantly impact the balance of power between the federal government and state authorities. This legal clash between a Republican president and Democratic state leaders is a political powder keg. Trump's call to jail Pritzker and Johnson for failing to protect ICE officers has sparked outrage. Pritzker's defiant response, "Come and get me," has only added fuel to the fire. As the case progresses, one question looms. Will the Biden-appointed judge uphold Trump's actions, or will she side with the state's Democratic leaders? The answer could have far-reaching consequences for the country's approach to civil unrest and the delicate balance of federal versus state power.